Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Roscoe, local and long-distance movers near me. We provide all the normal and basic moving services along with packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. When you hire the right long-distance moving company, you won't have to worry as much. It will save you time and energy as you move to a new state or across the country. Our movers will even make sure your moving day is less stressful for you. When you need to move locally, an Illinois moving company might be a good choice. Even a short move can be overwhelming. You still have to move all your stuff, and it's likely a big job. Our team will take all the heavy lifting off your shoulders and get it done so much faster. 3 Movers offers a well-trained movers to work for you, and they will make your moving days so much easier and faster. If you're looking for an efficient move, we've got the right team for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Roscoe moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.